braid that rope for me, Robbie?
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del barco y cuide los perdimientos.
Safety, just stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the rock, and be sure to watch your feet. Have a zippity doo dah ride. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos y piernas dentro del barco y cuide los perdimientos.
We're ready. We're not really ready. Like we don't want it to be the last. Yeah. We're hoping one more time. No, is it all done? Are you kidding? Wow. Might be that. Oh, we're okay with that. Yes, yeah. then we'll have to follow you.
I want to make sure. I want to report.
Oh, that's really nice of you to ask.
Because I'm pretty sure you guys are going to get really wet and scream in the last drop. So
We
I
are.
want to make sure that's okay with going on today.
Totally okay. Film away. We aren't really quiet riders, so I hope that's okay.
As long as you're okay with it.
Oh, totally, yeah. There's not. Here we go. Ready, Leah?
They've really packed
Maybe that's why they just say they're not getting more water.
Now get out from here. We got to get us that railroad.
That place where we'll go. That's what you asked us? That's to know.
Here we go.
Boy, don't we? Are you Are you hard of head? I said turn me loose. I said turn me loose.
I've got to. You ready, honey?
Oh, Brer Fox has got his way, and they laugh in place this very day.
If only you could.
I'm going to try to do
Everybody's got a laughing place.
This is it. Well, are you going to put your head to the left and I'll go to the right, or does it doesn't matter? To the left. Does that work or too much to go? Go that way. I get it.
Well, I'm glad I'm full of it. Well, that's just sweet.
Here we go! Funny though how you get more red on the crossing. Yes, yes. You're already wet. Yeah, that's right.
It's a time to celebrate the day. Celebrate you live. You folks are sure looking.
Awesome.